How to add a custom field in Moosend. First, click on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access on the tool we'll be using. Once there, log in your account or sign up if you don't already have one. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. On the menu bar, click on Audience, and then select Email Lists from the drop-down menu. Next, find the email list where you want to add a custom field and click on its name. This will take you to the list's overview page. On the left-hand side, you will see a menu. Look for the Create Custom Fields option and click on it. Now click on the Add New Custom Field button to begin creating your custom field. On the New Custom Field page, you'll find various fields that need to be filled out. Field name. Enter the name you want to assign to this custom field. Make it descriptive and easy to understand. Data type. From the drop-down list, choose the appropriate data type for your custom field. Moosend provides options such as text, date, number, single select drop-down, and checkbox. Text. This is ideal for capturing information like first name, last name, location, etc. Date. Use this to record dates like subscription dates, anniversaries, or birthdays. Number. Select this when you want to count occurrences, such as link clicks or product purchases. Single select drop-down. This allows subscribers to choose one option from a drop-down list. Checkbox. Use this for fields that require a simple yes or no response. Default fallback value. Enter a value that appears when a recipient hasn't filled out the custom field. If you've specified a fallback value in your subject line or email campaign, that will be used instead. Custom field is required. Specify whether this field is mandatory or optional. Custom field is hidden. Indicate whether this field should be visible for recipients to update in their profiles. Once you have filled out all the necessary fields, click on the Save Custom Field button to finalize and save your custom field.